Hello everyone, welcome to our next video. In this video, we'll see how to create a salary slip. So our object and focus area, meaning of salary slip, important of salary slip format and component of salary slip. So let's move into the next slide and see meaning of salary slip. So salary slip is nothing, is a document that contain the details of employee salaries like basic salaries, HRA, medical insurance, bonus, deduction, etc. The salary slip is given by their employer to the employees. Salary slip in maybe in often in a soft copy as well as in a hard copy also. Now we will see important of salary slip. So first important of salary slip is basis of income tax payment. With the basis of income salary slip, we can calculate income tax, and it help to prepare the income tax return and determine how much tax need to be paid, or how much refund need to be claimed by the employee for the year. It also provide access various facility. Salary slip gives employee to access various free or subsidy facility which provided by the government. Means salary slip help us to access this facility just like a medical care, subsidy, food gain, etc. Next important of salary slip, help to borrow. With the help of salary slip, employee can lend up money with the bank and financial institute by showing the salary slip. Salary slip is provide assurance that lender will be repay their money. Proof of employment. When you salary slip is an important legal evidence of employment. Okay, when you apply for travel visa, salary slip can be used as a proof of employment of and designation. Help to access offer. By the use of salary slip, employees can be compare their offer from new employees to the on their previous salary slip and help to negotiate salary with new employers for new roles. Held to avail role, salary slip contain all the detail of salary. Salary slip will act as the legal proof that the creditor will repay their loan within a prescribed time limit. So in the bank or lending institution usually asks past 2 or 3 months salary slip at the time of granting loan. Now see format of salary slip. This is a format of a salary slip I'm showing. It is depend on the company to company, but the format will be the same, that employee codes, department. In salary slip you can see the employment code, department, locations, joining date, employee name, designation, genders. Your UN number is also mentioned in a salary slip. PF number also mentioned in salary slip. Bank account number, bank name, and PAN number, it will be mentioned in a salary slip. Earning part is also mentioned, will be mentioned in earning part. We will see the component in next slide. In right side you can see the deduction part. In left side you can see the earning part. There's a date in a month, error days, leap of days without pay, how many leap of without pay days, net day working days. It will be mentioned in all in the salary slip. So component of salary slip, in the left side, in earning side or income side of salary statement will be basic salary, DRS allowance, HRA, house rent allowance, conveyance allowance, medical allowance, bonus, special allowance. Is there any special allowance? You can see in the earning part. And in the deduction side, you will see professional tax deducted at source, means TDS, employee provident fund, or you can see gratuity also. It is also part of the deduction. Let's move into the Excel sheet and let's see the salary slip format in the Excel. So this is a Excel sheet where we can see the salary slip format. You can create your salary slip in a Excel also, or you want create in a Word format, you can create on Word also. It is this is an Excel sheet of the salary. As you can see, in reduction side, professional tax, PF contribution, income tax is mentioned, means TDS. In earning side, basic, HRA, conveyance allowance, E-award means bonus, standard allowance or other allowance will be mentioned in earning side. So this is a format and component of a salary slip. So I hope you have understand the format of salary slip, meaning of salary slip and importance of salary slip. If you have any question or doubt, you can drop us mail info@skillanything.com or you contact us in this number. Thank you everyone for watching this video.